Good morning, everyone. It's a Thursday here in Saudi Arabia, and I don't know which part of the world you are watching this video from, but well, seems like I might be going from the King Fahd Road here in Riyadh. So let's see. Tag along with me. So it's Ramadan, so the roads aren't that busy compared to the normal days. I have to adjust the camera as well. Let me do that. Oh no, I think we can go from the Takhasusi street as well. Okay, let's go. What's happening over here? I think they have some work going on, so we'll try to go from here. So they have closed the road over there, so we are gonna go from this side. I don't know why I'm showing you this. Let me adjust the camera real quick. So here we go. Should have adjusted this at the start of the video, but well, here we are now. I think the camera angle could get a little better as well. So today we are going from the Prince Turki Street because they had some work going on. Although the traffic light was open, but there were some road works. And Alhamdulillah, we also found another green light. Didn't have to wait over here. This place brings back a lot of memories because when I didn't have the car to go to work, I used to walk till here. There's a metro bus station up ahead, stop actually. I'll show that to you when it comes. So I used to come from my place over here walking to take this bus that I used to go on. So this was the station on the right. We just passed by it. What, look at the horizons. Oh my goodness. Isn't that wonderful? Look at the skies. Past couple of days have been kind of cold. Today that cold is subsiding. The building on your left is a hotel. I'm forgetting the name of the hotel, but that is a hotel for sure. Oof, someone is driving crazy. Look at that. Maybe driving 200 kilometers per hour. Felt like it. of the skyline are pretty mesmerizing, I would say. Pretty mesmerizing. On any normal day, this traffic light would be, well, busier, but today that is not the case because it's Ramadan and there's usually less traffic on the roads. Here we are. We didn't get lucky here. We have to stop at this traffic light. But anyways, what's happening in your life? I hope everything will be well. Do let me know down in the comments. And well, we have to move now. Once we move from here, the next traffic light, let's see if we are lucky enough to make it over there. Let's go. So yes, we were. So guys, we have to stop again. See you guys in another video. Stay blessed, everyone.